Within seconds, my Discord server just got completely obliterated, which is honestly a blessing in disguise, all because of this stupid little Discord bot. But this Discord bot led me down a rabbit hole to a subculture of mind-numbingly stupid Discord gangsters. You're in for some cringe today. Now, my investigation started when I wanted to remake an old video of mine about Discord nuking bots. Way back then, I sound super depressed, and right now I'm really good at faking happiness. So I needed to do a little bit of research, and here's the thing. With these Discord nuke bots, they need to be in your Discord server for them to work. So, how do they get added to your Discord server? It's time for some research. So I went to the most information-dense website on the internet, TikTok, the best scholarly source on the planet, and I started digging. We have this fella here advertising their Discord nuke bot, but as you can see, it is supposed to be a security bot. But it doesn't stop there because there are some nuke bots that imitate Wick. But the most common technique that I see personally are people asking to make you a custom Discord bot. If you look at a lot of big Discord servers, they will have a custom moderation bot. So someone will offer to make you a custom bot, and if you add that custom bot and the person that's making the bot has malicious intentions, then your Discord server could blow up in a nuke. Another way that Discord nuke bots could end up on your server is if your staff don't like you anymore. Now in my next phase of research, I needed to figure out how often do these Discord server nukes happen, and it turns out while I was browsing r/Discord app today, conveniently, there's someone who made a post saying, "What happened to my server?" And in the image we can see that it says, "Nuked by the most edgiest name on planet Earth that sounds so cool to a 14-year-old, Dead Destroyers." I'm doing a lot of mental gymnastics right now and I can't see how this is cool at all. So I dug a little bit deeper. Now in the comments of this Reddit post, you have people clowning on the name, "You've messed with the Dead Destroyers." But I did manage to stumble across a lead that these people are 12. Oh no, that's a spoiler. I managed to stumble across another lead where someone says that they're pretty sure this is the DD security bot. Now DD could mean a lot of things, but thankfully for us, these kids are too young where DD means Dead Destroyers and not size. So I have my lead, Dead Destroyers, and it's time for me to go back to the Research Institute platform of all time, TikTok, and I came across this video testing raid bot from Dead Destroyers. Now we know the name Dead Destroyers is absolutely ridiculous, moronic. It's straight up brain damaging. And we also get a little hint that this video is going to be brain damaging because it's by someone that has blocks in their username. They play Roblox. Maybe in fact they are 12. These are just hints at the stupidity you're about to see in this video. TikTok, it is made for your phone. It is supposed to be easy. My mom can upload on TikTok. And this person managed to upload a video of their phone in the wrong orientation. They don't know how to use their phone. You know, the conspiracy theory of these people being 12 is starting to ring a lot more true than I thought. Now, after seeing this, I knew 100% that anything in the comments would be completely useless, and I actually stumbled across this person here that says DD on top, which is a very common phrase of low intelligence, but they have this little icon here, which will be very important later, because you might see it. God, I'm awful at foreshadowing. But I decided to move on to a different platform of knowledge, and I came across this tutorial, how to raid a Discord server, and I'm 16 years old. I have no friends in high school. I sit at home all day on my computer on Discord and make edgy cool names of Discord raiding tools, like Dead Destroyers and Faxter. Damn, lead to the back of my throat would sound perfect right now. Let's watch this video. It's a work of art. But this video is honestly a masterpiece in itself. You can see that they're trying to appeal to a certain crowd. Cars are cool. Raiding on Discord servers, also cool. I'm a chronically online loser. I make Discord videos as my job. These people are more of a loser than I am. I actually feel good about myself right now. But what's that? At the bottom right, that symbol looks very familiar. This is the same symbol from before in this TikTok profile. I have so many questions. And thankfully I have one answer right in front of my face, a Discord invite link. So going to this Discord invite link, I actually stumble across this Discord server, Dead Destroyers with the symbol. I have finally done it. I have fully dived into the cesspool of degeneracy and edgy 16-year-olds, and it's time for me to go absolutely buck wild. So in the announcements, it tells me to run this command, DD bot in the commands. So let me run that command, and I get a DM from the Dead Destroyers bot. Now this bot sends me a message that I need to join this Discord server. So I click on this link here, and I have to authorize a Discord bot with the join servers for you permission. Wow, Discord, remember me complaining about this? Anyways, I click on authorize, and when I do this, I actually get added to another Discord server. And this is finally where I get the bot that I get to invite. This is the raid bot, the DD security bot. If I add this to a Discord server, assuming it has more than 5 real users, it will nuke and annihilate the whole entire thing. But I skipped over something. If I go back to the bot's DMs and I click on that join button again, we'll notice that there is a website, Dead deaddestroyers.rip. The name is edgy, and the top-level domain is rip. This stupid, edgy teenager just doesn't give up. It just keeps on giving. And when I go to this website, you can see that, once again, edgelord stuff because there's Grim Reaper, but this has a login and a dashboard. And when I click on dashboard, it takes me to, what's that? Join servers for you permission again? But when I click on authorize, I get brought to the deaddestroyers.rip dashboard. And there's one thing I want to point out right from the get-go. Premium. We're going to be talking about that. However, on this website, there are a whole bunch of tabs you can go through. There's a warnings tab, there's a custom tab where you can have a custom raid bot, there's the index tab, which is just the home screen, and then there's the stats tab. And this is really where things start to take a turn for the worst, or for the better in terms of content. When you usually think of people nuking a Discord server, you think it's some sort of petty revenge. However, in this case of the dead destroyers, edgelord 16-year-olds that never go outside and have no friends in high school, the whole point of nuking a Discord server is just to increase a number on a website. Yes, for stats. And why would they even care about their stats? Well, it's because the website has a leaderboard. God, here we go. The whole incentive for these guys to raid a Discord server is just to have their name on the top of the leaderboard. As you can see, the Blocks Fruit Trading Discord server that had 185,000 members was raided by some random nobody. And you want to know what that random nobody thinks? Everyone at school hates me. I'm alone forever. But only if they knew. Only if they knew that if they went to deaddestroyers.rip, oh god, the nerd voice is coming out. Only if they knew that I was the second top person on the top raids on this website that no one actually cares about. Only if they knew. I am online all the time. I make Discord videos as my job. I am the definition of a chronically online loser. When I go outside, I am a nobody. But these guys put me to shame. Now, I don't know whether to call this a Discord gang or a Discord cult of morons, but I can assure you that it is filled with kids of all the same mindset, unemployment checks. But I do want to point out that this is just one community. Here's a community here. It's the Nebula community. They are the #1 security bot publicly available, and if I run the help command in the commands channel, I get a DM from the bot saying, this is a nuking Discord bot. These guys in this Nebula Discord server are cut from the same cloth, and it's really easy to tell because they have profile pictures of people holding money, which apparently that's cool. Now, despite both of these Discord servers being filled with absolute losers, they have another thing in common. Some sort of premium feature on their Nuke bot. And with premiums like Nuke and Set Message, I mean, this is a fantastic deal, right? No, this is a waste of your parents' money because you probably don't have money yourself because you're nuking a Discord server, but regardless, you could just code your own and it's not really hard, and I'll show you the code later on. Now, for my next phase of research, I actually need to test one of these Discord bots, and I have two options. I have the Death Destroyers or I have Nebula, and I think Nebula is what I'm gonna go with.
20 minutes later.
I finally get a bot invite link. So now that I have a bot I can use, I am going to send it to someone that I think their server needs to get nuked. Oh, goodness gracious me, I got someone who wants me to add their Discord bot to my Discord server. Oh goodness, I'm gonna do that. And before I do irreparable damage, I want to show you it looks something like this. But when I click continue on this Discord bot, it tells me to give it administrator permissions. And what happens when I authorize this Discord bot? I gotta do a CAPTCHA again, bro, come on. God, that was really a vibe killer. But now if I go to the Don't Nuke Me Please Discord server, oh, Nebula, oh my god, this Discord nuking bot is so bad that if you manage to convince someone to add it to their Discord server, it tells you must be in this server to use the bot. Okay, so change of plans. Instead, I'm going to invite the bot to my own server. So anyways, I'm going to add this bot to my Discord server. Oh, there we go. When I add the bot, it'll start raiding my Discord server, spam creating channels, deleting everything. This Nuke bot is a solid 2 out of 10. It's pretty bad, especially this OnlyFans grift. Like that's pretty brutal. Is this a phishing link? Is this an actual website? You know what, boys? You did get me good. I'm leaving that in the video because that scared the shit out of me. All right, I'm upgrading that to a 5 out of 10. Now that I'm in a really good mood because of that, my heart rate is through the roof, it's time for me to tell you how to prevent your Discord server from being nuked. And it's really simple. Stop giving Discord bots, random Discord bots, the administrator permission. And while you're at it, it might be a good idea to get Wick on your Discord server and just turn on the join gate. Now, Wick does have other features like bot additions and an anti-nuke system that are good things to have. And you might be asking, can I undo all this damage and get all my channels back? Not really. There are some Discord bots that do have a backup system, but it might be premium, might be free, might not work, might be crap. And even if you try clicking on the server and reporting a raid, it'll only do so much. Discord isn't going to undo all of this and roll back my Discord server. It is completely broken and I need to fix it myself. Now, if you don't know already, Discord nuke bots break both the community guidelines and Discord's developer policy. So what you can do is you could go to Discord's little trust and safety doom and gloom page and go through developer compliance. But I'm going to be honest with you, it literally takes these people 2 seconds to just make a new Discord bot and then change the token. And since we're talking about bot tokens, I think it's time to talk about nuking bots and the code behind them. So this bot that I'm looking at has a nuke command and it has different modes, and we're going to be looking at the all mode. What the bot does is it checks if it has administrator permissions, and if it does, it will go through every single channel in your Discord server in a for loop and it will try to delete it. Now next up are roles. This bot will go through every single role in your Discord server and try to delete it, assuming of course it is actually able to delete the role. Once it does that, it will go through another loop looking at every single member in your Discord server, and what it'll try to do is it will try to ban every single person on your Discord server. But finally, once it deletes all your channels, tries to delete every single role, and tries to ban everyone, it is then going to start spamming everyone. So this bot will go through a loop of a specified amount where it will create a text channel of whatever name you want. It'll do that over and over, and once it's done, then it will change the name of the Discord server to Nuked, Hydra, Riot, Admit. God, these names are so edgy, I'm actually getting sick and tired of saying them. Anyways, once it changes the server's name, then the bot will just go to bed. This is not complicated, which makes it even more funny that these degenerate kids have the gall to ask for a premium with these Trident people. Oh, you want a premium bot? Oh, well, you gotta boost our Discord server if you want to set the message or the channel or the name of the Discord server, even though it's all code that's definitely been stolen from this bot, or at least inspired by it. It's the same function. It does exactly the same thing. You don't need to be a rocket scientist to do this. I should make it clear that raiding someone's Discord server just puts you in the same ballpark as these absolute losers. Any hoot hollering and a half, that's been 1 hour and 40 minutes of me trying to make fun of these people and trimming it up to however long it is. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye. Love you. Mwah.